NBC News, this is Today with Jason and Dylan, live from NBC Studios in Rockefeller Center.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Today. I'm Jason.
And I'm Dylan. Today is Saturday, April 4th, and we're so happy you're starting your day with us.
How are you doing this morning, Dylan?
And how are you doing, Jason?
I'm great.
Let's get into today's headlines. A new study found that a positive attitude is key to a person's health. Ways to increase happiness levels include setting goals, practicing, gratitude and meditation, and of course, smiling more.
Now that we got that our headlines covered, let's check in with our meteorologist, Oscar.
Hello, Jason and Dylan. How are you this morning?
We're doing well. I'm hoping we'll have some nice weather headed our way.
Well, you are in luck, my friend, because from coast to coast, it's going to be a beautiful weekend with sunny, clear skies. It'll be the perfect time to get outside. Hope you have a great weekend in your neck of the woods.
Oh, sounds like it's going to be a great, fantastic weekend, and to start it off, let's get a morning boost.
Meet Ranger and Sydney, two rescue dogs reunited thanks to a chance conversation between their owners. They organized a play date and the pups started playing like no time had passed, proving true friendship can last a lifetime.
Aw, that's such a special moment. Now it's time for our pop star. Let's head to Brynn for the latest in pop culture news.
Hey Jason and Dylan, we have someone special here in the studio today. Say hello to Evan, a Grammy Award winning artist who released their new album today. Evan, hi! How's New York treating you so far?
It's great. I've been here for one day and it's going good.
You're getting ready to head out on your very first world tour. What can fans expect from you on stage?
Backflips and guest stars.
You've worked with some of the biggest names in the music industry. I'm curious, who's your dream collaboration?
I think Taylor Swift and Benson Boone.
We can't wait to hear you play some of your new music on our plaza. But before you go, what do you want to say to all your fans?
Thank you for being my fans and more music on the way.
Jason and Dylan, I know you both are big fans too, so get on your dancing shoes.
So fun. Thanks, Brynn. Before we wrap up, we want to thank our amazing crew who made everything possible behind the scenes.
That's right, from our top-notch camera operators to our talented control room. We are fortunate enough to have the best in the business.
We also have the best audience members in the world. Let's go to Alicia on the plaza now.
Hey Jason, I'm here with an excited fan now. What's your name and where are you from?
Hi, my name is Maxine and I'm from Philadelphia, originally from Brooklyn.
Awesome. Anybody watching at home that you want to say hi to today?
No, they're all here with me.
Amazing. Well, thank you for being here. And from all of us at Today, thank you for watching. Have a great day and we'll see you tomorrow.